Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, sir. Firstly, I would like to thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Andi Saputro, and you can call me Andi. I am 25 years old. I want to apply for the drafter position in this office. And my professional experience and my awareness of your well-known reputation have led me to want to work for your company. I have bachelor degree of mechanical engineering from 17 August 1945 Surabaya University. And I have 2 years of experience as a drafter. Over the past 2 years, I have worked with Indonesian Aerospace as a drafter. During this period, I have learned so much about the values of teamwork, how to concentrate and focus on goals, and how to balance my time and priorities. Additional experience in other fields, such as an internship in a factory, can increase my values to your company. I enjoy thinking, learning, and working. I able to bear work pressure, and in my free time, I often participate in a lot of activities such as table tennis, badminton, which can help me regulate my personal state. And I have good skill in operating computer aided design software and other design software for engineering. In addition to this, you can be sure that I will maintain to the top level of work and the principal standard as a team member of your organization. Okay, sir. Thank you for your time. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.